Welcome to Learning with UNP. In this session of Business Intelligence with Power BI, we are going to explore splitting columns in Power BI Query Editor. We will focus on knowing about how to import an Excel file in Power BI Query Editor. What exactly is a delimiter? Introduction to split column, and finally splitting columns using different delimiters. For this demonstration, we will use students dataset. Let's start by importing the dataset. To do this, we will go to Home tab, click on New Source, choose Excel Workbook. From here, browse and select the student's dataset. Then load it into Power BI. Now that we have the data loaded, let's understand an important concept, that is the delimiter. So what exactly is a delimiter? A delimiter is a specific character or symbol used to separate different pieces of data within a single column. For example, in a column that contains full names, there may be a space between the first name and the last name. That space acts as the delimiter. Other common delimiters include comma, hyphen or slashes. The key function of a delimiter is to break down the content of a column into smaller and manageable parts. The use of delimiter is crucial when we want to split data into multiple columns. For instance, if we have a column containing full names like John Doe, using the space delimiter, we can split this into a separate first name and last name column. This helps us better organize and analyze the data. Now, let's see how can we use this in Power BI to split columns. Power BI split column feature allows us to divide a single column into two or more columns based on a chosen delimiter. This is particularly helpful when a column contains multiple data points that need to be separated for better analysis. Now, let's practically see how we can split columns using different delimiters. First, we will split the first name column using a space delimiter. In here, we first select full name column, go to the split column option and choose by delimiter. In the dialog box that appears, we select space as our delimiter and click on OK. After splitting, two new columns are created, that is full name.1 and full name.2. We will rename it properly as first name and last name. Next, we will split another column, first name 2, using a hyphen delimiter. The process is similar. Select the column, choose split column by delimiter. Since you want to select delimiter as hyphen, we need to click on custom, put hyphen here, click on OK. After the split, two new columns are created again, full name 2.1, full name 2.2. We must rename it properly. Let's rename them as first name 2 and last name 2. This is all about today's lecture. See you in the next lecture. Thank you.